In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install My Safaricom app error from Google Play Store. If this helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are experiencing this from your Play Store, you can follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. First, go to Play Store and make sure you are downloading your app with your Gmail account logged in on Play Store. So if you're trying while logged in, then you want to go ahead and click on this profile icon of your email, and this will take you to settings. Scroll down to the settings option here and go to network preferences. So if you tap on this, look for this option called app download preference and make sure that you choose the first option over any network. This will ensure that you are able to install this app from Play Store on the current network you are connected to. Go ahead and tap on OK to save these changes. But in case this didn't solve your problem, then head to the next method, and that is to access Play Store app info page. To do this, go ahead and long press on your app or go to settings to find app info page, and here you should see app info page. Go ahead and tap on it. If you can't see app info page, you should be able to see a settings gear or even the name of the app, that is Play Store. Tap on it and this will take you directly to Google Play Store. From here, we want to go ahead and clear the app data, more especially the cache data for Play Store. So if I go to storage here, you can see here is the breakdown of data stored by this Play Store. And as you can see, we have currently cache data, a lot of it. And this must be the reason you are unable to install any apps from Play Store. To clear cache data, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then choose cache and OK. Once you are done, now restart your smartphone and go ahead and open Play Store, then search for your app. So I'll search for My Safaricom. Here it is, and this time round tap on it and tap on install, and as you can see, now I'm able to install My Safaricom app from Google Play Store. So that's how you can fix this issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.